So we have another example. We're going to be using the basic function f of x equals 2 to the x. So again, we could make a little table of values. When the base is smaller, it's a little bit easier to graph. So we could think -1, 0, 1, 2. We can go to 3 for this one. And if you plug in -1, you're going to get 1/2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 8. Think about raising 2 to those exponents, right? That's what exponential functions do. And then, sorry about that. And then, well, let's just graph this first. Okay, so -1, 1/2. Oops, darn it. Let's get rid of that. All right, -1, 1/2. It moved on me. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 8. Okay, so again, I'll try to dot it here so it doesn't get mixed up with our real graph, g of x. So this is f of x right here. And now we're going to graph g of x. We'll look at the transformation. Notice that the 3 is not in the exponent. That 3 is not in the exponent. Okay, because if it is, then it's a horizontal shift. Okay, but this is not in the exponent, and that makes it a vertical shift. You can make a table of values if you want to, but it's not necessary. We're just going to pick up our whole graph. Oh, you know what? I don't think I drew the asymptote in on the last graph, but it was at the x-axis. But this time I want to show it because that's going to shift. Okay, so a vertical shift, this is all going to shift down 3. So my vertical asymptote is going to be down, it was at 0, now it's going to be at -3. So it's going to be down. This is going to be my new vertical asymptote right there. Okay, so y equals 3 is the horizontal asymptote. Okay, now we're just going to shift all those points down 1 as well. So 1, 2, 3. And then you can think about how that's graphing. Let's see. Okay, so it's going to run asymptotic to that y equals, y equals -3. Sorry about that. Y equals -3. But I know you all knew that. Probably just threw you for a minute. Okay, so y equals -3 is the horizontal asymptote. And now we've got our graph, and it's great. And that's what that function does. Okay.